5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. So, men zaida first step, we open the right hand so we can push the girl backwards, turning in the second step. 1. Then I push the girl backwards with my right hand, with my frame, and cross myself back 2. Then I open the girl again and make a break 3. She can be like this, she can be like this, she can be like that, how you want. If she's like this, then you would put her to the side, 4 and 5. Then we open again and we go side, 6, cross 7, and make break 8. Good. Just for the guys a little bit how you make this standing. You go forward and you're on the left leg. Then you slide the right leg until you don't have any more space, and then you bend the knee. You're still on the left, and then you bring the leg here and you switch the body weight, and then you step. Okay? So it's like 1, go, 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 not more place, allow. Now I'm on my right leg, and then I make break, and then simple bridge. Good. Then we did this. 4 and 5, then we go 6 again, 7, 8, 1 style. So on the 1 I have the hand here blocked, on the 8, and then I go with the hand down, the girl stretch it from the elbow, and then this cutting the air with the side of the hand up, and then they turn, guy asks for the hand, she gives the hand, and this is 4. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay guys, so we do end 5, turning the girl already, then I step 6 and block 7, break. Pull with the right hand back, 8, and now we can make either tap and go, or we can make cha-cha. 1 and 2, that was the cha-cha, side close. So that's enough.
That's enough.